Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to make a Behance portfolio, a full guide to help you showcase your creative work effectively. We'll start by understanding Behance's core purpose, and then move into setting up a profile that truly represents you. It's crucial to organize your projects thoughtfully, ensuring a professional and engaging presentation from the very beginning. This initial setup lays the groundwork for attracting potential clients and collaborators. Now, let's dive into crafting your individual projects. It's essential to select only your strongest work, perhaps your top 5 to 10 pieces, to feature prominently. For each project, develop a clear and concise narrative that tells its story, from concept to completion. Always use high-quality visuals, like images or videos, and provide detailed descriptions that explain your process and the impact of your design choices. This attention to detail makes a significant difference. To ensure your portfolio gets seen, maximizing its reach is key. Optimize your project titles and descriptions with relevant keywords that potential clients might search for. Actively engage with the Behance community by leaving thoughtful comments and liking other artists' work. This can increase your visibility. Furthermore, share your Behance portfolio across all your other social media platforms, like LinkedIn or Instagram, to broaden your audience and drive more traffic to your work. Finally, continuous improvement is vital for a thriving Behance portfolio. Make it a habit to regularly update your portfolio with new and improved work, perhaps every 3 to 6 months. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from peers or mentors to refine your project presentations and descriptions. Also, take time to analyze your project views and engagement metrics. Understanding what resonates with your audience can help you tailor your future content and attract even more opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.